Hi everyone, I'm gonna dive into Solana once again, and thank you so much for the support that you've been showing for the channel. It means a lot. Okay, and right now I'm in the 4-hour time frame here, and we're gonna talk about Solana and what it's doing. Okay, so we did have a potential double top that actually played out. Okay, this is your first top, this is your second top. You break the neckline, you move down towards this technical target. Now, right now, what Solana is doing is it's trying to go back. Okay, we've already broken the neckline right there. Okay, do you see this? And we came down, boom. We're now trying to retest this moving trend right here. Do you see this trend? Okay, we kind of like passed through it, but right now what we're doing is we're actually kind of battling. We're trying to make a battle to go back towards the upside. Okay, but I do not think Solana is looking good to me. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the charts. Unless if I actually extend this line right over here, I'm gonna click this line and I'm gonna extend this one right there, and you can see we hit our head just here. Do you see that? We hit our head like that. Okay, and right now we have to get past this line, we have to get past that line also. What I want to see for Solana, the bullish scenario for me, okay, is you go up, you cross this line, basically this line and this line. Okay, so this is the scenario for the bullish scenario if you wanna trade Solana. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in, and you cross this line, you stay on top of it, you cross this line as well, you stay on top of it, and at the moment this is gonna be a beautiful entry for you at nearly $205. But at the moment, right, it's really struggling to get above this line, man. It's really struggling to get above it. Okay, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say, hey, go on top right there. Okay, we do not know. This has yet to be pending. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, we have a potential bullish hammer that is about to form. Okay, it might get bullish. If you see a bullish engulfing candle, we could go straight towards the upside. There's a possibility though to go towards the upside because Bitcoin is looking bullish. We might not go towards the downside, but unless we don't cross these two areas, I'm not going to say we're bullish. I'm just sitting on the sideline waiting and looking what Solana is about to do. Okay, so I'm not taking decisions, I'm not taking any trade right now. I'm just going to wait for this channel to be broken. Okay, and I'm going to dive into the daily time frame. I'm going to show you how some possibilities of a bearish scenario. Now look at this, okay. On the daily, man, I'm going to bring this one to the right there, and on the daily right now, okay, it is very clear that the closing was never above this moving trend line. Do you see that? Okay, just the way we were above, like here in the past history. I want to see on the daily we have a candle that closes like this, goes above. Okay, and that for me will be a bullish scenario towards the upside. Now there's one more thing I want to show you though. I did see in the comments section, and I'm gonna show you a trend line that is being respected. Okay, I'm just gonna zoom in or zoom out there, and I'm gonna take this level like this. Do you see that? Yeah, I'm gonna take this level. Now I was thinking that maybe Solana, it breaks out of the double top, the double top like this, and the next technical target I did tell you is 168. Okay, this one has yet to be confirmed. Okay, until now there's no clear path for what Solana is going to do. Okay, it is a 198, but it's losing steam to go towards the upside. Okay, but I told you, if you cross this, come back here, take retest, boom, you're good to go. Okay, unless you do not see that, we do not have an upside potential. The favor right now is still towards the downside. Okay, now unless we don't get this downfall, okay, if we start rolling over for Solana, you might see this trend line coming into play. Okay, this trend line could come into play. Solana could go all the way down, test this trend line, bounce from here, and it's good to go. Okay, maybe there's some sort of channel over here as well. I'm gonna try to draw this channel because we do have some few touches as well. So we do have a channel right there. Do you see? Solana is trying to make a channel, so we might do something like this. Come down, go up, touch this, go up. We want to come down again, go up, move towards the upside. Now I'm going to show you the EMAs as well. Okay, now the good news is that we actually came to the 20 EMA, bounced off the 20 EMA, and we're moving towards the upside. I want to see what the 55 EMA is also, because that's really important. Okay, and yeah, we also we're actually looking good. We're actually looking good, okay? I'm not saying we're too much bearish, but you might see the 55 coming up, crawl up a little bit and touch this line that I'm showing you right now, 168. We might lose all this level, come down, retest this, and we're good to go towards the upside, okay? Now that's the bearish scenario. Now the bullish scenario is you cross this $214, come down to $203, retest, and we're good to go. Now that's it for Solana's update, okay? So keep trading safely and keep up the good support, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, Bitcoin update, Solana update, okay?